That's yours and Dad's. So we want you to open that one first to get it out of the way so we could.
Huh?
Come on, baby. Come on. There's your present.
We have you a present.
There's your present.
I didn't expect you guys to do that. You would have scared me out.
Merry Christmas. Huh?
Merry Christmas!
You're gonna be kids.
No, we're not. That's yours.
Wow.
I thought you guys were recording that.
I thought they were gonna rip through the paper. They went under the paper, and so all I've got is.
That's yours. It's yours now.
Where'd you get this one? Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
Merry
you guys were telling me after
Christmas.
we bought them, and you're like, we don't want another stuffer. I'm like, oh my God, are you kidding me?
You come in. We're all out here. We're like,
Being all loud, I'm like,
I saw that.
You came in and we were just like,
I saw something up there.
we're like, oh my gosh!
And Michael was still back here, didn't know you'd come in, and he's like, hi, Miss Alana.